Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. We've been talking about some special sounds in the English language, and those are called vowel sounds. If you remember right, we have tested the a sound, like an apple, to see if it's a vowel. We've tested the sound, like an elephant, to see if it's a vowel. And we found out that in both cases, those two sounds were vowels. Today, let's test out two. Let's test out the I sound like an igloo and the ah sound like an octopus. All right, let's start with I. Remember, I want to see if my mouth is open the whole time I say the sound or closes in some way. So try it. Say I like an igloo. I. Is my mouth open or closed? It's open. Not as much, but it is still open. Look. Eh. Can you hear that space between my teeth? All right, let's test out my ah. Can I sing the ah sound? Can I hold the ah sound as long as possible before I run out of breath? You try it. I'm going to do it for just a little while. Here we go. Ah. I can definitely hold out that ah sound for a long time. The same is true with I. Watch. I. All right. Now I want to test if these sounds make my voice box vibrate. So try the first one. Say I like an igloo. I. Do you feel it? What about ah? Ah. Totally. Both of these sounds make my voice box vibrate. So far, we've learned that I, and ah all make my mouth open the whole time. I can sing the sound, meaning I can hold out the sound until I run out of breath, and my voice box vibrates. Let's play with some words. Look at number 1. Say hat. Oops. What would happen if my vowel a sound was not there? What would the new word be? What? It sounds so funny. It's not a real word, is it? Whoa! Did you see number 2? Say got. My ah disappeared. What happens now? What would the new word be? Not even a word, is it? Not a word. All right, let's move on to our next sound activity. I say a big word, you echo, take off the first part, and tell me what is left. Here we go. Say imagine. Without im, what's left? Agin. Good. Say professor. Without pro, what's left? Fessor. Say athletic. Without ath, what's left? Letic. Letic is not a real word, but it is a part. Say equator. The equator goes around the center of our Earth. Equator. Without e, what's left? Quater. Say dinosaur. Without dine, what's left? A soar. Say Egyptian. Without e, what's left? Egyptian. Say suspenders. Without sus, what's left? Penders. That's funny. Ooh. Say electric. Without L, what's left? Ectric. Great job. All right, it's time for us to delete or take off a sound. I say a word, you and Mario echo, then I'm going to take off or delete the first sound and you tell me what's left. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Say toad. Toad. Without t, what's left? Owed. Owed, like I owed you money. Say size. Size. Without s, what's left? Eyes. Eyes. Eyes is what's left. All right. Say van. Van. Without v, what's left? An. An is what's left. Say doze. Doze. Without d, what's left? O's. Good. Last one. Say wage. Wage. Without w, what's left? Age. Age is what's left. Like, what is your age? All right. For Mario and me, we say